What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Nico, and I'm back with another video. Alright, first off, I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, go back and check out some of my older videos. And if you like what you see, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Alright, we're gonna get this video popping, y'all. Let's go. Alright, what's going on, y'all? So it's moving day. We all packed up. Our host done took everything downstairs. We done called a taxi. And we about to go to Alleppey, y'all. We're about to leave this beautiful view at Sea Breeze and head on to the next spot. We had a lovely stay here. I highly recommend this place. Great hospitality. We had a great breakfast every single morning. And yeah, I would definitely be back if we're in the area. Y'all ready? Yeah, it's already there. See you next time. See you next time. All right, y'all. So now we are on our way. We're in a whole different world out here, y'all. The area that we're driving through right now is extremely rural and it's tropical, to say the least. It's beautiful, y'all. You can see the beach and the sea on one side and all the homes on the other side. But I hope y'all enjoying this view as much as I am. Hello. It's not on Google Map. The place not on Google Map. Google Map. This place.
It's a new place.
It's new place. Okay. Nice to meet you, Nico.
I'm Dipna.
Dipna?
Yeah.
All right. Nico. Lopet. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Sorry, your name?
Nico.
Nico.
All right, y'all. So we done made it to where we staying at. It took the driver a little minute to find the place because this is a new place, so it's not on Google Maps yet. But yeah, we are on the beach. It's a bright and sunny day today. All right, y'all. So we're gonna get finished checking in, and I'm gonna show you all around the place. All right, y'all, so we just checked in at our place. It's a pretty simple place, you know, nice view. Only thing that I think I'm not gonna like is right next door, they are doing construction, y'all. Anyway, hopefully they'll be doing it all night. Doubt it, but they probably will be up early in the morning. Anyways, quick view around the room. So, like a studio, just one room, no TV or nothing like that, but it's cool, we ain't gonna need that. We got the nice view outside, I'm gonna show y'all in a second. We got a fan, AC, nice color AC. This is like a makeup area, dressing area type thing right here. Let's see what's in here. So like bathroom. All right. So wet room. How they have in Asia, you know, everything go out together, shower, all that. Check the pressure. Okay, you got steady pressure, you know. We're gonna see if that hot water and everything work later on. But yeah, everything we need in here, y'all. Everything that we need. Check out this view real quick though. This is the view. Got a hammock out there for chilling. And I think we're gonna have a neighbor right there. Boats, for the fishermen. Hopefully we catch some fishermen out there, and maybe we can go on a little fishing trip with them or something. Chill. I think we're gonna enjoy it. Y'all. But anyways, we're gonna get done checking in and just relax for a minute, and maybe we're gonna link up at Rocco at some point. Anyways, y'all, this your boy Nico. Thank y'all for coming check out the video. Make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, y'all, and be looking out for the next one. Peace.